boys and girls hairstyles. Today I have Marsha with me. She met me on my YouTube channel, and it has been an absolute blast having her come down from Salt Lake. We're super good friends now. I've learned about her family, like I know all about it, and she knows all about me.
Yep.
She's the one that brings my Braylon, my youngest daughter, cute hats for Christmas and all that. Anyway, it's really fun. She's just kind of a part of me now, so it's awesome.
Absolutely.
Super fun, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Anyway, she's
You feel so
blessed.
comfortable. Yeah, always.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank
Yes.
you. So I love Marsha's hair. I wanted to show you guys. It's fun. It's red. It's blonde. I put a little bit of light brown with it. She has quite a bit of gray, and I'm going to show you how I love that this just blends really good when this grows out. So we're going to start back here first, and just going to take this straight across, and then just get that hair out of the way. Okay, so down here, I'm going to do a little weave. Okay, so I have just taken a little section here. I put 7 in this bottom, and now I'm going to take another little section. And you guys will see I just mix these colors up as I go, and you'll see that in just a second. Okay, so just do about a medium weave here, and in the root area I'm doing 7, and this is really good because it covers the gray, but yet when it grows out it doesn't have a huge line because it's so light. The gray, or the 7N is a light brown. Okay, and now just 20 volume. You can even do a 10 with the bleach if you want, just to get this root area. Okay, then I just fold both corners. Same right here. Okay, hold this up, take the 7N and apply to the root area. Now what I want to tell you is up for the red, I use a 4R with 20 volume, obviously, to cover the gray, and a little bit of 5N. Anyway, that gives it the agent to cover the gray, which is the natural, which will cover the gray, and then I add the 4R, and that's what gives her the bright red. She pulls off red like no other. It looks so good on her. Okay, so I take another little section here. And in this section, I do the red. So you can see that I'm going to, again, cover the root area with the 7N. This is really good if, you know, they want their roots covered, but they don't want a real line coming out, obviously, when it does grow out. Okay, now this that I'm putting on is the 4R and 5N. Like I said, I just put a little 5N, that gives it the brown to cover the gray, but then the 4R for the red. I use Goldwell Top Chic, which means permanent. I love the Top Chic. Okay, now you can see I do 3 little sections this way. Just depends, like with your client, you're gonna wanna see, you know, how you want to, you know, put the foils in. It varies from different clients. I just like to go around her head that way, like this way. I can see where I'm putting the color. You kind of want to picture what color's going where, kind of like just having a white canvas, and then you just start painting where you want the colors.
She's a good painter.
Oh, thanks. That's nice. Well, you know, I try my best. I do. It's super fun.
Lucky for these guys with the Madonna care of school or whatever.
Oh, you're so
They
nice.
get to teach them what to do. That's pretty awesome.
That's so nice. You know what? I wish I would have had this back when I went to school. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
To have, you know, people do videos and share their ideas. And obviously out there's a lot of different ways to do it. And so it's fun to see everybody's way. It's not that one's right and one's wrong. It's just your own artwork. And I guess that's what, you know, hairstylists, it's awesome. Like,
Yeah.
you know, I don't look at somebody and be like, oh, they're doing it wrong. I'm like, oh, look at that. You know, it just gives you a fun way of learning different things. Yeah. So it would have been awesome. In fact, I've had, you know, people reach out like, that was helpful. I'm going to school, or I've been doing hair for a while and that really helped. And so it was awesome. I love that.
Yep. I love it because that's how I found you.
Yeah, see, exactly. I honestly, it was awesome. When my brother-in-law had told me to do this, I was like, oh no, I was all nervous. And now I'm like, oh my goodness, some of my best friends I have met from my YouTube channel. And it's just flipping awesome. Okay, so you guys can see, this is obviously a blonde area. So I'm putting the 7N in here. And you can see I just go over the root area. You don't want to go down into the blonde, so just the root area, just kind of push that down into there. Okay, right here in the middle, the 7N. I do a 7 double N. The double N helps with coverage of gray in Goldwell. So just so you know, if there's an N or a double N, it means that it is more coverage of gray. So you can see how I brought that blonde down a little bit further just because it was a little bit more brown through there. So just watch the hairs that you're you know, weaving, and that way you'll know exactly what to do with that. Okay, same thing here. Here's the blonde. And then the 7N, cover that up. Okay, then I just fold that in both corners. Some people probably wear gloves, why they do this, and that's fine when they cover, you know, all over. I don't love wearing gloves. I kind of feel like it pulls their hair. So that's why I'm not using gloves, but I just have a towel that's by me and I just kind of wipe my hands if I need to. And sometimes I have color all over my hands. So I guess that's the choice I make, right? Color my hands or wear gloves.
That's mighty nice. I mean, I wouldn't care. I mean,
You're so
it's like
sweet.
full hair, full hair.
Okay.
Whatever. If
That's
you need
right.
your hair dyed,
See,
if you pull my hair, I don't care what you do.
That's cute. I love it. No matter what. I know, beauty is pain, right? Beauty is pain.
Whatever it takes.
Oh, that's so
Before
cute.
pain, and then you gotta have all beat up hands. And
I know, you know what? Honestly, it is funny how many, like, of my clothes that I've colored
oh yeah,
or
ruined your whole. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
even when I have my
That's
little
right.
cape thing on, you know, because half the time I don't even do that. I just come in and hang out and just start coloring but yeah, it's, oh, let's see.
Well, when your
this one.
fingers start to crack, you might
Yeah.
wear some gloves.
Exactly, right? Then I might have to, so
Yeah.
we'll wait and see. Oh, that's great. I love it. Love it, love it.
That's be wearing the big yellow ones.
Yeah, the one that used to do dishes in, huh?
Yeah.
Big old yellow
What
gloves.
the heck?
Oh, I love it. Okay, so this one you can see is the blonde again.
You're always thinking of your customer.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.
You
I
do.
really do.
You do.
I love my clients. I definitely do. Definitely grateful for them. I don't know. Like, it's just weird to think what over 24, 25 years I've been doing hair. I still love doing hair. And so I'm like, you know, people are like, don't you get tired of it? And I'm like, honestly, like, it's my clients. I love my clients. And so it makes my, you know, what I do fun. And so I look forward to seeing my clients, you know, and so that's what makes it for sure. So
That's awesome.
if I didn't have awesome clients, I might get sick of it. Or if I had mean clients, I don't know. So
You're the one that makes everyone feel so comfortable.
oh,
Really?
thanks.
Honestly.
Good. I'm so glad.
Like you
I
just,
really am glad because that's
I've been places where you feel like you're, I don't know, you shouldn't be there.
well, thank you.
Or they don't want to be doing your hair, that's for sure.
Right, yeah,
But-
serious. And
But
if
the
you
minute
can
I
feel
walked in there,
that.
you were always so kind and nice and happy.
Oh, good.
And bright
Thank
and
you.
sunny and no matter what.
Well, thank you.
Well, that's you.
I do love, like, I mean, and just the talks that you can have with your clients and you know what I mean? There are so many times that we've talked of so many different things, and it's nice to have that relationship that you can, you know, talk to. I do. I love that. Love it. Love it. Makes a huge difference. Okay, so this is the red, you guys. I'm putting that red back in here. And then I'm going to show you another row. I'm going to do the red. So you can kind of see how I've been doing it. The red, the blonde, I put some together, a couple rows at a time. That's what I love about that 7N also, is it just blends all these colors together really well. And the red, I go over the whole hair strand. So I go to the root area, cover all of that strand. Okay, and then the next one. Will be red also. You guys will love Marsha's haircut too. It's a really cute one for fine hair. You'll like it. It's darling. She's fun though. I have another client here processing. Her name's Tina, and I was telling her how cute she is. I'm like, you wait. She'll be wearing a hat when she comes in, and she was. It was so cute. I swear, this lady. Well, Marsha, I shouldn't say this lady, has a zillion hats. It's so fun. And now my daughter has some of them because she's giving them to her.
That's right.
And Marsha's just so thoughtful. It was actually in my other house before I moved. She shows up and she has this really, really cute dress. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. And she's like, well, I didn't like how it fit me. Here you go. I'm like, it's like a brand new dress. I'm like, Marsha, no. And she's like, no, really, just have it. So she's just so giving, so giving. So she's a keeper. Okay, so you can see I'm just going over that again. Okay, and then after this next row, then I can let you guys go. Actually, I will show you how I'm going to come up this side. Up the front and this side. Okay, here's the red again. Okay. Now, what I would do is just, and what I am going to do with Marcia is I'm gonna come straight up in this mohawk and then I'm gonna go down her sides. That way, I always like to find out from the client where they part their hair. And I always like to go up where their part is. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the red and the blondes going up. And depending on how much you want, red or blonde, whatever color, is how many foils you will do of that color. So I'm probably gonna do, I think it's like 2 red, let me just see, to 1 blonde. Just gonna look here. Yep, see, here's another red. So that's what I like to do coming up this way, okay? So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm really excited to show you guys the color and the cut in the next video, so stay tuned and we'll show you when we're done. Thanks so much.